This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Welcome to this stunning, custom-built contemporary home. This brand new construction offers 3 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 luxurious baths. The open concept living area seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and gourmet kitchen, which features a large island, stainless steel appliances, and a gas log stacked stone fireplace on each level, perfect for entertaining. An inviting outdoor fireplace just off the living room, perfect for cozy evenings. The master suite is a true retreat, boasting a spa-like shower with double vanities and plenty of space to unwind. Luxury vinyl flooring flows throughout, offering style and durability. The terrace level is an entertainer's dream, complete with a wet bar, a large great room, and a mudroom. 2 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths provide ample space for guests. Don't miss out on this exceptional home designed for modern living. Call me today for more information.